Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add a logo on your Shopify website. Right now as you can see we are into dashboard and we have clicked on customize theme in the home page. Okay, so we are into customize. Let's cross this setup guide. Okay, we will click on edit theme. Okay, we are into theme customization and here you can see there is a logo. You just need to left click on it and in the left side toolbar just click on theme settings. You can also visit directly theme settings. Here you just need to select a logo, click on upload image and you can upload a logo which is usually transparent and of square size, whether 500 by 500 pixel or 1000 by 1000 pixel, directly into your Shopify store. Okay, we have successfully uploaded. Now we will click on done and the logo has been added, right? You can also use transparent logo or a white background logo, right? Here I have just used a logo with having some grays kind of background, right? But you can upload a transparent logo as well. Else you can click on edit and you can also make it transparent over here, right? You will find some good options in the right side which you can use to edit your image, right? So we have clicked on color background and here we can simply change the background color of a logo as well. Okay, so as you can see the logo has been converted into a transparent logo, right? You can simply click on the transparent color, right? Or you can opt for green, yellow or any other custom color, right? You can also crop your logo image, right, manually, as well as you can also select the size from the list below. So as you can see here already quite different sizes are given, like square 3:2, 5:4, 7:5, 16:9. You can also select any size from here as well. Okay, we have set this appropriately and simply click on apply and then save. Okay, it's done. Color background is already changed. You can also select the white color, right, if you think that white would suit the best. Else I would suggest you to bring logo without background over here, right? Else this transparency generally don't work that much. The background removal tool is not that much good enough, right? So okay, click on exit and your logo has been changed, right? You can simply click on save button and you can upload or fix a logo on your Shopify website in such manner. You can simply add inverse logo as well as you can also add favicon logo. Okay, so we have clicked on save and our logo has been updated on our website. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.